Before my first long ride mga preng, I thought I was ready. I watched all the vlogs, I checked my bike, I felt excited, but nobody warned me mga preng that a long ride doesn't test your motorcycle. It tests you. So mga preng, if you are planning your first long ride, listen to this before you go. Expectation versus reality. Mga preng, in your head, a long ride looks like this. Smooth road, cinematic views, fresh air, and syempre yung freedom. You imagine yourself smiling inside your helmet, feeling proud, feeling alive. And that's the expectation. But preng, in reality is very different. Expectation number 1, masaya lang. Akala mo parang weekend ride lang. Konting throttle, konting stop, konting picture, tapos uwi. Preng, in reality, after the first few hours, your excitement slowly turn into survival mode. Your hands start to hurt, your back starts to complain, and your neck feels heavy. And you realize, hindi pala siya puro saya. Reality number 1, nobody talks enough about the real fatigue of a long ride. Hindi lang siya physical, it's mental mga preng. You're constantly alert, checking mirrors, watching blind curves, reading the road, predicting other drivers. One mistake mga preng, 1 second of distraction can change everything. That's when I learned something important. Being tired on a motorcycle is dangerous mga preng. Reality check number 2. Akala mo gas lang ang gastos, pero habang tumatagal, fuel, food, water, emergency stops, unexpected repairs, even things you didn't plan mga preng, you end up paying for. Long rides don't just test your endurance mga preng, they test how prepared you really are. Reality check number 3 mga preng, on short rides, you feel in control. On long ride, you respect the road. Weather changes, road disappear, drivers get unpredictable, and you start to understand why experienced riders always say, ride like you're invisible. Because out there mga preng, nobody owes you safety. Preng, there was a moment alone on the road, tired, quiet, when I asked myself, why am I doing this? And the answer wasn't adrenaline. It wasn't views. It wasn't content. Preng, it was growth. Lesson number 1, a long ride humbles you. It reminds you that you're a human, that you have limits. And respecting those limits, mga preng, is what keeps you alive. Lesson number 2, after that ride, mga preng, I stopped romanticizing long ride. Now I plan better, I rest better, I respect weather, I listen to my body. Because mga preng, confidence is good, but preparation saves lives. Lesson number 3. After your first real long ride mga preng, you're not the same rider anymore. You become calmer, more patient, more aware, and that quiet confidence mga preng stays with you. So if you're planning your first long ride mga preng, don't just prepare your bike. Prepare your mind. Prepare your body. Prepare your attitude because the road doesn't care about your plans. A long ride will never promise comfort mga preng, but it will always teach you something. Kaya mga preng, ride safe, ride smart, and respect the journey.